Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we have Insightful, and this is the best analytics for productivity and focused teams oriented platform. Before we dive in, there's a link in the description that you can use to get extended free trial as well exclusive benefits and rewards on this platform. Make sure to give it a try. Talking about Insightful, you can add your employees first of all, and it is going to be analyzing their active time, productivity, and work time. So, how many hours they have worked, what results they have produced, everything is going to be displayed onto the site automatically once it is integrated within your team and workflow. It is going to be quite useful. We have real-time insights as well on the left side of your screen. Here you will be able to see the number of employees you have added, the currently active employees, and they who are non-active, currently unproductive members that you need to be upgraded or just question that why they are being unproductive, and what improvements that they can make to simply boost up their productivity. On the alerts section, you can have different type of alerts related to various different stuff, like for example, if you want to create a reminder or any stuff like that, you can do that in here as well. In the employees section will be listed your employees, teams as well, and many of the features could be seen, like for example screenshots related to your business that you want to add and everyone needs to watch them. Time and attendance, of course, is an important thing to make everybody is present onto the site for the working. And yeah, so the reports is another important thing that you can have to use and analyze better understanding of your team and productivity. So give it a try. I really love this platform and highly appreciate and endorse you guys to check this out. Now, if you want to do that, you can head over to the link in the description to get extended free trial and also exclusive benefits on the site. If you like the video, you can subscribe and drop a like, of course. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.